That's interesting. Okay, what she needs is energy. So you could do your major supervisor at this time, but later on you would do your 23, you could do your 23 flow. You might do your Trinity flow too. You could, right now you could do your Trinity. Do I have that there? Yes. You could do your Trinity flow, would be good for you. Okay, now you want to listen to me. Relax your shoulders, breathe. Ah, there, okay. Now just listen right there. What do you hear? Superficial? What do you hear?
It's pounding.
Which side?
Both.
Okay, this person is, we'll have to get into that later. That's 13s. Okay, turn your wrist again. Oh, well, you know what? You're too far down. You need to be right here at the top.
Oh.
Here. You're down here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You can relax your arms. I didn't relax my shoulder. Yeah. Superficial. What do you hear?
More on this side.
Left. Good. Okay, now go turn your wrists ever so slightly again. No, yeah. Go in a little bit more. Right there. Don't, no more than that.
Okay.
That's deep. What do you hear there?
Both of them.
Okay, good. Now let your fingers go down ever so slightly and pull them all in together. Not real hard, but just, yes, good. Little pressure. Now what do you hear per side?
The right side.
Okay, right major supervisor. Very good. You guys are doing great.